live. Hello. So yeah, we're gonna be working on this today. Uh. Oh yeah, I. Yep. There you go. So yeah, we're gonna be working on this today. It's Let me show you something what I've been doing, or I've did yeah, that I've been doing in the past. Just clear. Right. Hello, Leo. Welcome to stream. So, make new set item lore. You don't have to change that much stuff and custom commands. With the custom commands, you only have to change like the imports. But and also, look inside my community tab. Look inside my community tab, because from the 1st of December, I will be doing a tutorial every day until Christmas. That means I will explain every day until the 24th of December or 25th one certain class, like, and do something with it, like making custom commands or stuff like this, you know? Every day. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. Where's the oxygen tank? There. So, the issue I have right now is, you can see if I board this thingy instantly, it doesn't show. I want a transition, okay? I wanted to transition the oxygen thingy when you board in. So, where is these? There. So this should only happen if I have to do all of this to get the percentage oxygen. I mean, this would be the percentage oxygen. I mean, this is happening in a tick event, so I can just do player.oxygen percentage is equal to percentage. Can just use player.oxygen percentage is equal to 100, and then it's just gonna do that. So only if the percentage is at 1. No. Player is not defined. Yep, it's the rider. My bad. And else this will just evaluate to true. If true is 100. What's the new import? Not a function. What do you mean not a function? Importer testers? No, like the new module names, like this one. Edge Minecraft dash server. It's not Mojang Minecraft anymore. It's this. Abomination now. Not a function. Okay, bud. Huh? Rider dot on-screen display. Why is it saying not a function? I'm not even calling this as a function. At least now it's not saying that anymore. And hello MSCB. And hit server shutdown due to an unvalid scripting watch. I also made a video for this. It's like just go to my YouTube page, you will find it basically instantly. So yeah, oh yes, that's working. So let me demonstrate. I have to drain my oxygen. Let me drain my oxygen a bit. Okay, I think that's enough. If I board, you see the oxygen will go up, and after it's up, it will show the energy percentage. Okay. What's need to choose an item lore add? So first of all, the tick event is going to be removed, and you have to change the import. And guess what? I also made an update video on that. It's like it has like huge changes, like on the thingy, on the thumbnail. There's huge changes. I'm going over every change, like actually everyone. Changed properties, changed imports, removal of tick event, removal of run command. I'm going over everything there, so I recommend you watch that. Woo, bonk. Coach, all videos, thanks. No problem. If you have any problems after that, then just join my Discord server in the description. This one. And, well, there's a channel called Game Test Help, and you can, well, ask for help there. I forgot to do the announcement. Okay, but before that would be the beta APIs. I mean, yeah, they renamed GameTest to beta APIs, and it's okay. It's kind of weird now because right now the toggle, and hello David, okay, send me your Discord DM. The link is in the description from Discord server. Everyone. Yes, I'm that guy. Or that. I love this message. It just demonstrates the power that you have. What does this do? Oh, I see. Nope. Hey, no, that's an announcement channel. That's an announcement channel. No. Okay, next I want to clamp the values so it doesn't feel... Yeah, so... weird. Because right now it feels weird. Why do you make it green? It's supposed to be the battery thing. It's the battery, not the oxygen. If you haven't noticed. Oh, that took you a while. Yeah, so that's a thing. And hello, Leo. Right. So what did I want to change? So I changed that. Look what I made. So your oxygen is low, right? And it will only show the bar when your oxygen is not full. So yeah, it kind of transitions. Right, clamping the values. I mean, we could just do where's the set velocity? Is this the set velocity? Yeah, it is. Times 1.25. So this is like the final speed. I joined the VC, it wasn't CKF. Okay, sorry. Let's do that later. I'm sorry. Yeah. I mean, sorry. Well, it's like... It doesn't matter, okay? Okay, wait. Does the anchor still exist, or did I break it with... Oh, no. The anchor still exists. Okay. Let's, make this actually work now. So how are we gonna be able to place this thing? My idea was if you right click it, there will just be a button called place structure or something that makes you able to place the structure once the structure is anchored. Although I feel like that would not be a very good idea, because yeah, if you exit it, it will just set to nothing. Oh, you will just be able to click one of those thingies and just remove it. Like this block, you know, this connector. That's actually so smart, because then you can't remove anything that's connected to anything. So you always have to remove the latest parts before you disconnect something. So yeah, where's the anchor? Did I... Oh no, that's just... yeah, okay. How would I able to place it? I mean, I can't detect a left click. That's impossible. See DM things. Why are you writing me a DM when you're on my Discord server? You can just ask everyone at the same time. You have a duplicate import statement. You see, you're importing the deconstructed world class and everything at the same time. Don't do that. Move the first line. And then hashtag OP, const message, event message, args, message trim, split, add as plus, with message help with a ban, then event cancel true, player on command, player set. I feel like, yeah, so first of all, this is gonna be run command async. Second of all, this could work, yeah. So this has to be run command async. Oh my god, it's thing, so... yeah, it's me. Yeah, I have no idea how to place it. I mean, I could make it so that you have to, well... so you have to... yeah, let's make the button for placing the structure. I think there's no way of doing it without it. NG network dual charger building wand. So this is like the source part, or like the player part will just... so if the player is sneaking, it's just gonna rotate the part, right? If there is no rotation, it will set the rotation to 0. If the item type ID is not thingy, then it will return. And this is the menu. So, this will await the data, and then we just set the source part to the data selection. If the user is busy though, okay, so if the user doesn't select anything, it disappears. That's my problem. That's keeping me from everything doing. You see, disappears. I'm gonna make a new map for Hecate. Good luck, ding ding. Join Discord, kids. Yes, you heard the man. So yeah, Sus. First of all, if data.selection is nothing, it will... No, first of all, we need to check if the player already has a part selected. Then we're gonna make two buttons, one called build and one called deselect. Okay? So we make a new conditional button, menu.button, and this only if source.part and then this. So I just call it this one remove and the other one confirm. Can fix the code I sent you in DM. I just did. I told you to replace run command with run command async. So instead of player.run command, right? Instead of run command, you're just gonna type in run command async. This is the line you have to replace here. If that was too fast to you, you can always rewind. Source.part and menu.button build. Hi Jordan. Okay, then we need to make the part. So if there's no selection, it's just gonna like this. Or actually no, this will just be yeah, we have to do it a bit weird. Okay, I changed player run command. Next. Remove the world import. And that's it. Remove the very first line in your code. Then it should be good. So, okay, so the part dimensions are gonna be, or wait, the part dimensions is the variable. Yeah, it's the variable. So, let's just copy these. Actually no, we can just do if source.part exists, then it will do this, else it will do wait. So no. It's gonna, so if the player has already a part selected, it will keep its part, else it will set a new part. Slash reload. So we have this part, and if I click away, if I click again, yeah, you see guys, the part stays. And also we have build and remove selection now. That's good. Now we need to actually make those buttons functional. So, let's do const selection is equal to data. Is that a thing? Huh? The fuck? How did that happen? There we go. Instead of this, I can just do this, and then switch selection. Selection. Can I do in conditional switch, like source dot powered and no, so I can't do a conditional switch. I mean I can, just not with this kind of operator. So wait, this is a bit weird now. Because source.part will always be defined if I open the menu once. You see, wait. If I have like no selection at all, and I click, oh no, that wasn't my plan. If I have the menu open and just go away with it, just, yeah, you see, because now source.part is something that is not undefined, I guess. Because if source.part does not exist, we get the part dimensions of the selection, which is undefined, which will still create a... yeah, it will just be undefined. Let's change this up a bit. So, source, if not source part and source part will be equal to, really? Fine, we'll do it with if statements. So if there's not a source part, it will set the thingy to the selection. But if there's not a selection, what to do when there's not a selection? I mean, I guess and selection. Like this. So only if you have a selection, it will execute this. Okay, let's try that. So we have nothing, we close it, we open it again, great. Perfect. Oh, because 0 evaluates to false. That means we need to test it. Otherwise, is there like a is number? I mean, I guess we could use instance of if and selection in instance of number. How do you use instance of again? Just like this, or... Wait. I never had to use instance of. That's correct. So if the selection is an instance of a... No, it's not instance of. It's type of. E. Type of. Like the type of the selection. So if the type of selection is equal to number. I don't think that that's how it works. Wait. Type of. Type of. Oh no, that's correct actually. Oh yeah, I guess you can write it like this. Because look, this will output a string. You see? No, object, reason. Because null is a object. Null is an object and you can extend from null. It's an object null. Yeah. So, let's try it. So, yeah, nice. That works. Now we need to kind of delete the selection. Or, yeah, let's make the remove selection thingy a thing. So, we are gonna make another if statement. If source part and type of number. So, if there is a source part, we have to check this before this, or else it will place the structure not accordingly, right? Wait. I'm sorry, I just went off guard. Right. Back to work. So, then we're gonna switch the selection with the case 0, it will do something and then break. And if the case is 1, okay, well, this is kind of awkward right now because you see this? This will oh no, why did I do that? It has to be up but also down at the same time, if you guys know what I mean. We can't set. We'll see. Honestly, we'll see. We will see. It will set the source dot part to undefined. Yes, undefined replacement. Ah yeah, of course. And then just break like this. I'm not really sure if that's gonna work, but let's try it out. Uh-huh. That still works. I click this, I go away. Okay, this still works. Let's try it with a different compartment. Okay, so I noticed you can't reselect a compartment once you've selected one. Which is... I mean... Huh? Guys, does this work? Indeed. This indeed works. Remove selection. Okay. I'm surprised. I still can rotate it. That's crazy. Wait. It works. No, we just gotta build the structure with the given rotation. Yeah. Back to those boys. First of all, we need to add... I want to re-export them, all of them, because some of them were missing structure voids. Yay. So, T compartment, save export. Oh no. Below 13. Structures. So, T compartment 0. That works. This one also has them, but maybe I added them. Oh, come on! I have to navigate through this every time. That's Phenium. That's Skylandia. Belong to the pages of history. I take to the open seas. Scene. Is that correct? Nope. Nope, it does nothing. Sad. Yeah, seam. Structure voids are missing. Time I'm gonna be forgotten. I take to the open sea. Now it seas, really? Yes, replace, please. Okay. I'd assume that those ones are fine, but this one clearly doesn't. Guys, 4 times. You just have to watch me do this 4 times, okay? It's not that big of a deal. We could also play Euro Truck Simulator. I forgot that I had this game. It's pretty chill. Although, then I might not be able to keep the stream as a VOD. Video on demand. Wait, did I choose my... Why did I... Wow. Did I choose Minecraft as the main game? Yes, I did. Last one, guys, last one. Again, why am I doing this? There we go. So, now I need to figure out how the structure load command works. Slash structure just structure load and then the name. So I need a variable with the names of the structures and the namespace. Every single dream. So this would be case 0, like if you place stuff, right? And then okay, so we have to take a few things into consideration. First of all, there will be, so we have to set new anchors for each new compartment. Guardian. I wonder, would I have to register each anchor in my variables file, or is there a smart way to do this? A smarter way to do this? You will see what you've made. You will see what I have finally become. It's broken and the buildings remain. One every day claims a piece of me. Everywhere you go, and inner peace. My inner peace. As the vessels came like the shadows from this land. Yes, I know, I can sing very beautifully. So it's just the compartment and then the number. Hello, welcome to stream. So this is gonna be the I compartment, this is gonna be L compartment, it's gonna be the T compartment, it's gonna be the X compartment. So it will load the compartment with its corresponding rotation. So wait, does the structure load command need some kind of coordinates? Uh-oh. It indeed does need some coordinates. I mean, we just need to get those XYZ coordinates into something the player can use. It's not player, or it is player. Player dot. Let's make a prototype called an anchor chords, and it will be, if there is an anchor, is that a thing? Can just do x x y y z z, no? Z z. If there is an anchor, else it will be undefined. I am not so sure if that's gonna work, honestly. But we're gonna see. And then the rotation. What's the rotation again? Just player.part rotation? Yeah, it's player part rotation. Then we also need a max turn property. Oops. Max turn, just gonna be the I compartment only has 2. Will you make a tutorial video again anytime soon? Well, let's say it like this. Check my community tab, because I'm planning on doing a 24-day tutorial series for Christmas, like from the 1st December to the 24th December. An updated one. Every day. Every day. Every goddamn day. Actually this is 3, this is also 3, and this one is 0. This one will be a bit weird now. But we'll figure it out now. So this. Okay, I need to think, motherfucker, think. Holy shit, we almost have 480 subscribers. I did in fact not realize that we are. Yes, we're actually growing pretty fast. Holy shit. Thanks, by the way. Let's bring this over. Const structure. Honestly, we should make prototypes for the world. Where's the prototypes? Those are prototypes. World.prototype dot structure spawn is equal to a function which will take in the ID, the rotation, no, the position, then the rotation, which is can be 0 or defaults to 0, then mirrored, this will equal to be false. What? Okay, the rotation, mirror, animation mode. Wait, how does animation mode work? Oh, I'm missing the. Oh, of course! It has to be. Why is that a thing? 0 degrees. Why? Why is that a string? No, it's not a string. It's a rotation. Oh, I see. None. Now we can choose the animation mode. Block by block. True or false? What is that kind of crap? True or false? What if I set it to true? What will happen? Oh, it's... Oh, okay, okay. Got it. Animation false. Then just gonna alt.get. Actually, this should have been a dimension prototype. Nah. It's only gonna work in the overworld. Dot run command async. Ooh, run command async. I returned. Hey, welcome back. Structure load ID. Then the ID. The position. Yeah, is the position going to be a string or what? I guess. Yeah, I want to type definitions. I'm pretty sure I can remember all of this, right? Oh, rotation, mirror, and then animation. Dot catch x console dot error x. Oh, x. What does it change the most in the code? Huh? What was to change the most in the code? Or what you were supposed to change? You were supposed to remove this weird import because you already imported this. This is a duplicate import statement. And then instead of player.run command async. The rest should hopefully be fine. So, I can just do world.structure spawn. Is that a thing? I hope, because it's a world prototype that I... Can I... There we go. Oh no, I can just pass in the arguments. Okay, so... You first of all need a structure ID. Which would be... dot ID plus can I please stop messing this up? Okay, thank you. And the ID with part.id with I send. You know, when writing game test code, a lot of it is achieved by just experimenting. I would recommend you also experimenting a bit. That's correct. Run command async. Well, no. Now you removed the this line. You're supposed to keep this because you're using it here. If you want to use this, remove this. If you want to use this, remove this. So in this case, you could just remove this. So part.max rotation, max turn. Mod the part.rotation. Oh no, it's source dot part rotation. So example, the max turn is 0 and we have a rotation of 1. Exactly, that's correct. What if the max rotation is 3? Rotation of 3. No. Where's the calculator? There. Yeah, see, that's my problem. Maybe? No. Maybe. Wait. It's 2, it's just gonna be... 0 modulo 2 is just gonna be 1? What? Oh, it's... Wait. Yeah. This has to be modulo the part max turn. There we go. Yeah, I got the off guard again, but wait, let me. So the part rotation modulo the max turn. Problem is that 3 modulo 3 is still 0. Which makes sense. Which totally makes sense because the maximum rotation is a 360-degree rotation, which would result in the same position as before. Yeah. It makes sense. Okay, so we have the thingy with the ID. Crazy. After the ID, the coordinates, which would be source dot anchor chords. Source. Yeah, let's make that into a constant. Chords equal to source, right? Source dot anchor chords. You can dot x y z. There we go. We can just pass in the chords. Prototypes. Then we need the rotation. I wonder if we can just leave this one empty and then the rotation is also gonna be empty. Nope, it's gotta be something. So the rotation, the mirror none, then block by block. Guys, if this works now, then I'm the best developer ever. Okay? I wonder, should I back up the word? Or shouldn't I? Where's the anchor? I'm not on the right side, am I? Yeah. Build! Okay. I see. Reload and build. Yeah. The structure, my structure, undefined name can't be found. Undefined nan. That's actually quite funny. Sadly not the thing I want. Okay. What went wrong? Bank look host 1914. Just build it. Okay, so the selection is 0. Oh.
The selection is 0.
Of course it's not gonna find anything because the selection is 0. Can we just do a source.part? My structure, undefined nan. Wait, no. I'm gonna, this is gonna be one. This is going into the showcase channel. Okay, I hopefully this will work now. Holy shit, that... I mean, it's the particles are a bit offset, but guys, it loaded. It loaded. Okay, wait. The problem is that if the anchor is not existing... Ah, that's not good. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. First of all, it shouldn't be able to build something when the anchor doesn't exist. Second of all, player.anchor chords. Wait, this should be undefined then. Ah, fuck me. Oh no, it can find an anchor, but the rotation is... Oh my god. I used this to test if... I used this abomination to test if it worked. Oh my god. Isn't there any smarter way to like... Like, we're missing so many variables, like dimension, size. How the fuck am I supposed to do this? More temporary variables? Let's just try to transfer this abomination into... Yeah. On the roof of this world. Yeah. Long have been fought for this land. Okay. Anchor. So first of all, we're gonna check if color to green. If so, it's gonna check if the anchor exists. In both cases, it will undefined. Yep, I misspelled. Now let's try to do it again, and then we'll fix the rotation. I'm not really sure if it doesn't build anything because of this, or if it doesn't build anything because it just didn't want to. Also, I realized I'm not really sure how I'm gonna do this with anchor points. We'll see. The anchor points will be the complicated part. Okay, so that doesn't work. Nice. If you build, yeah, that works. Great. Okay, that's good. Let's try different structures. Okay. Um, that's not really supposed to look like that. I think I just messed up the sides, you know? Like if in my variables list we have the L compartment is true true, false false. It's gonna be false false true true, no? Same thing for that worked. Although I'm not really sure if that was the right thingy. Let's give myself a command block. Command block minecart? Why doesn't it have a texture? Okay, this is plus and this is okay, perfect. So from here, how can I here to here 10, here 10, here 10. I have a feeling that this command block will disappear after I press the button. Indeed. Dead and gone. Dead and gone. What? Oh, that was the paste button. Didn't know that was a thing. Okay. There you go. Now we can test. A compartment. Build. Okay. Yeah. This should not work. Perfect! Perfect, perfect, perfect. Great. And this should always... Hello? Oh, I selected the wrong one. But mean Nan? What do you mean Nan? Nan couldn't be found. This compartment Nan. Think our rotation math is a bit off. Isn't it? Our rotation math is a bit off. This one. So the source part rotation will be just 0. The max turn is just gonna be also 0. Wait, does JavaScript do 0 modulo 0 equal to nan? Maybe. Like 0 mod 0? Yeah, JavaScript thinks that that is nan. Which is fair enough, but the heck? So yeah, makes sense. But wait, or does the max rotation have to be 1? 1. No, we just... Wonder, does this work or will it just still... Oh no, it won't, because I will show you why. Huh? Yeah, you see? Because this has to be wrapped around inside this. Okay, is nan? If that is nan, else it will return this. Yeah, I know the problem though, because when I select this, it, yeah, it tries to build something else. Okay, that works at least. Then for that. Now, remove selection. If I have nothing, I select I. Selecting me I. If I have nothing and I select L, I said select L. You see what happens? I select T, shows me the I. Select X, it gives me the T. What? Okay. What's going on here? Just step out. Okay, X compartment. So we have a selection. The selection is 3. Yep, that makes sense. 3. Then yep, that's our player. The part is undefined. So we don't have a source part, and the type of the selection is number. So it will set our source part to the part dimensions. Oh, I see what the problem is. This works, right? To this point, it works. Now our part is the X compartment. There's a problem though, just a little problem. Okay. Because now, what have we done? Sorry. Now, this also is correct because the source part is thingy and. Problem is if we move this down, the other things might break. Wait. I'll show you guys. If I move this down, to fix that one bug, it's gonna create a new one. You see? It's now correct. If I remove the selection. Yeah. If I remove the selection now, it gives me another one. You see? Can I just do else? But the problem is, okay, I mean, it will still default to it. Let's just try it, let's just fuck it. There's nothing without trying. Else if. Else. Wait, that's a thing? Else if with. Or is it? I don't know. Anyways. Else. Then I guess we don't need that. Let's just hope it works. I can rotate it perfectly fine. Remove selection, it removes the selection. X, perfectly fine. Remove selection. T, can rotate it perfectly fine, and then just I, okay, that works. If I select nothing, that's it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, so what I want to happen is if I build something, I think, and hello, David.
Don't just go quiet on me when I join.
I said hello, David,
Hi.
because I heard your noise.
Noise. My noise. Okay.
So did you see what I made today?
I see that you're making the structure thingy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and it's
That-
kinda working right now.
It's working?
Yeah.
What? Show.
Okay, so basically, it's a bit weird right now, but sure. If I try to build an X, I can just there and then build, and then there appears an X, right?
Mm-hmm.
And if
That's
I,
cool.
I can also select an I. I can't build it when it's not rotated towards the right now not existing anchor point.
Right.
If I rotate it, I can build
Right.
it towards the anchor point because, well, yeah. I mean, the particles are a bit off, but I'm gonna use another algorithm to make myself draw the boxes because right now I'm doing this.
Jesus Christ, what is that?
Exactly.
Outline async XYZ X2 Y2 Z2 entity color.
You
Yeah,
see-
there's 3 for loops.
Mm-hmm. The initial idea was to do it with like 4 or so something, but I'm gonna
Yeah.
use another algorithm.
Understood. Algorithm. Okay.
Dude, this is like my horror project, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
It's like
That's
so
cool though.
it's so hard to do, and I'm not really sure if people are gonna use it at the end. You know, it's just
Yeah. Oh, that's
yeah, you
not
can build
good.
stuff into stuff, but wait. No, no, it's bugged somewhere, but I don't know where.
I'm in confusion. What's
Same, dude.
well, the particles are off. That's one thing.
It's not the particles' fault, the whole structure is off. As you can see, the anchor point here is not where the anchor point actually is. So
Well, I don't know where the anchor point actually is because
it's
there
always
used to be a bedrock block, but you removed it for some reason.
yeah. If I place the blocks at the anchor point, of course they're gonna be removed. I think it's an issue with my variables thingy because
We love variables.
yeah.
Are you gonna release this or something?
Yeah, of course, like it's gonna be a playable map.
Oh, that's cool.
But I'm gonna minify the code so, you know, no one can
Yeah,
claim
yeah,
it
yeah,
as
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you know what's up.
I'm not gonna obfuscate it, minify it at least.
Yeah. Ah, yes, we love rotation.
Wait, did it work or? Sure, wait. Here's the anchor point. Right? Let's make a stair to indicate that the anchor point is here. No!
I don't think it works as intended.
Damn. Yeah. How figure?
Did you reload?
Of course. It's just that I need to rotate it. I kinda need to brute force myself to rotating through it.
Why there are two max turn threes? Like there's 0, there's 1, and there's 3. There's no 2.
Because the X compartment, it doesn't matter where how you rotate the X compartment. It's gonna be the same structure after all. For the I compartment,
guess, yeah.
you can only rotate it 2 times, you know, because actually
Yeah.
let me show it in game. You see, those are all the possible combinations that are possible for the rotation.
Alright.
Make sense now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was a bit confused.
That's why. Yeah.
Nah, I get it.
Can wait. Build. No! What the? Why the fuck? The heck?
It looks a bit wonky,
What?
the generator thingy.
Generator thing?
Yeah. Well, the build thingy, whatever.
Oh yeah, I know. It's only the T compartment, isn't it? So, yeah, this is right. Oh, I forgot.
I'm trying to mute myself whenever I cough.
Okay.
So I don't blast your
Why
eardrums.
the fuck is that a thing?
I think Dixon is going insane because of game test.
Oh, you think?
Yeah. Warning dependencies. Ooh.
That's the L compartment. How did that happen? Did I just? Did I just misclick? Oh yeah, I just misclicked.
Dub.
Did the anchor point just change?
I mean, it looks like it, so.
I love game test.
I also love game test, it's pretty cool.
Build? No, I think the height changed. Wait, so
Try to clear the blocks and see if it did. What? I don't think it works as intended.
Oh, you think?
Yeah. You'll figure
Wait.
it out. Oh. Oh. Oh no. What the heck?
Wait, which rotation is wrong? This one? This one, the second one is wrong. So you need to shift it by 1.
1. Yeah. What are those true false statements?
It's if the side has an anchor point.
Oh. You should just do a bunch of testing.
Am I not?
Fair, 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 fair. I just thought you did it randomly, you know?
I swear, the anchor point moved. I'm not going insane, am I?
It does look like it moved.
Remove selection. T. Build. This one is aligned.
Now look at the anchor and then build again.
Perfect! Maybe I got the dimensions wrong.
I think it works.
Now it's offset by 1. Okay, wait. We need to think. This is the very first, right?
Right.
T. Yeah, it's not the horizontal one, it's the vertical one. That's why it's not working.
Oh well, too bad.
Because I messed up the dimensions. So this is supposed to be 7 and 9. Like this?
It's crazy. Now watch it work.
T. Build.
I don't think it works.
Maybe it's now just shifted, you know? If I do this, you know?
Offset. Oh god.
It is offset by 1.
Oh, why?
Wait, so this one's true. Wait, how does it do the sizes? It should be true, false, true, true. No, but we just had true, false, true. It doesn't work like that. True, false, true doesn't work.
Well then try another combination of true, 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 false. To see which
I
one
wonder
works.
why does it rotate it like this? Maybe it's a problem with my indexing and not with the structure itself.
Might be.
Let's measure it
'Cause-
out again one time and then check the thing. So we have x9 and z. Yeah, no. So my call with the dimensions was completely bullshit, by the way. What if
Yeah,
I
but
set
when you
the-
wait, but when you turn it,
yeah.
the dimensions change.
Uh-huh. I know.
Yeah, well. Oh, so you got that covered already?
Yep, it just flips the dimension. The dimensions.
Oh.
Like that Z is X and X is Z.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Then again, you're ding, so you're 5 steps ahead of me.
That's right. Okay. So, yeah, indexing. I changed the max turn to 4 just to see if that changes anything. So we have the T compartment. The anchor point is wrong, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it has to be aligned with stairs?
Yeah.
Oh. Then yeah, it's off by 1. I think.
Yeah. Indeed. I kinda want to remake all of this.
Might be a good idea, it would be less confusing. Also, what happened to your game test tutorials?
What do you mean?
Last upload was a month ago.
Look.
What happened?
Look to my community post. I have a new suggestion that I think everyone is fine with.
Should I make a series for Christmas where I explain a certain feature from game test scripting API? Something different, please.
Okay.
I'm kidding. Yes, sure. Why not?
Like every day I'm gonna upload. Every day. From day 1 to 24, you know? December.
Ah, yes.
Yeah, this isn't clearly working, so...
Like advent calendar. Exactly, man.
Yeah, exactly.
A piece of candy for every single day.
Yeah.
From December 1st to December
Or maybe the
24th.
next rotation needs to be 2 because you have only 3 sides and then it loops over.
And then, Dingsel, on December 25th, aka Christmas, you release this map.
I'm not gonna be finished until then, am I?
Are you?
Am I?
I mean, you have over a month. And look at your progress.
Yeah, my progress is really great.
It is! Well, ignoring the fact that you haven't streamed for a week. But other than that, then...
I have technical stuff, but I don't have like any cosmetic shit.
Okay,
like,
not
I
1
don't
week,
even
2
have-
weeks.
I don't even have like proper textures for my thingies. Wait. This would work if the anchor point...
Yeah, it obviously would work if the anchor point was
No,
messed up.
no, just... It's just this thingy that the anchor point of this one is off because this anchor point is not centered. It's not centered, it's just... not
Sand
centered.
monkey pics.
Mm. Yeah, I think with my system, like, it's correct in the math, right, that I gave the program, but I think because of how I made the system, it's not gonna work.
That is crazy.
Because right now, it so if I try to build this, right, it
Where are you
takes
listening,
this
by the way?
Pentakill.
Uh-huh.
Promises, just like the heartbeat of the seas we gather. Yes, I know.
Okay,
Yep.
chill out.
Okay, so because this one is not centered, this will always take the center, but this is not centered. You see, every other point
see.
here, centered. It's not centered, but every other structure. Wait, so does it mean that the L compartment is also broken?
It might be. It's fine, it's whatever. Well, it's not fine, but you know what I mean.
Yeah.
You
so,
can fix it.
Yeah,
I
you
believe in
see,
you.
it has a very slight offset, which is
Yeah, by 1.
because it's always taking the center. But what I don't understand is why does this one
Is centered.
because maybe it rotates it, so it shifts by 1, so it's centered.
Yeah, but it would shift by 2 because, you know, symmetry. It would shift by 2, not by 1. I suppose. My monkey brain don't understand. I'm
Same.
sorry. Anyways, back to making the map on World Painter.
Oh yeah.
Because I'm making that now. Again.
Um.
You see, there are scripts in World Painter, but I don't know scripts.
Eh. Me neither.
Yeah, obviously,
Wait.
but like I
Do
feel
I
like they would be
even
pretty
need
useful.
the dimensions? Because I don't think I need the dimensions. If I remake the system, if then I would only need the anchor points of each side. Because okay,
I guess.
let's
yeah.
try to do a new approach. So we have one initial piece stored in the variables list, for example this one, and it's gonna have its anchor point set to a specific offset. That offset being in this case 3 and 3, so 3 3 0. And depending on the rotation,
Okay, I'm gonna go work on my thinking because I can't just
yeah.
I can't keep myself without coughing. I'm sorry, and muting myself is painful. Like every 5 seconds.
Then,
Good luck on
then,
your
then
thinking.
only unmute yourself if you want to talk. Okay, thank you. Guess you made so much progress just for us to redo it. All of it. But honestly, it can't wait. Can't we just add... I think I need to sleep about it. I really need to sleep about it. What am I gonna do in the meantime? Do I want to finish this now or do I... Like, it either could me take like 3 seconds to finish this, or 2 hours. Okay, so I think I have an idea. I see. So the state 0 needs a anchor fix. State 1 doesn't. This one can't have an anchor fix. So that's also fine. So for the T compartment, only the state 0 shall be affected with the anchor fix. Oh. T anchor fix, and then it's just gonna be an object with the side 0 and then the set of coordinates or the offset. In this case it would be 3 or 0, no, yeah, 0 or x, 0, y, 3, z, 3. And after that, we're just gonna offset x, y, z let's make it into a new function. It's gonna return the power, it's gonna need the part and the xyz. The dimensions is just player part. Okay. Need a rotation. Okay, so okay, then we're gonna take the part of the part. Wait, variables part dot anchor fix part dot n anchor fix. From that, it's an object with that takes in the rotation. So, and if that exists, I'm just gonna make it lazy. Proof of concept and then optimization. There. So if there is a fix, then we'll x plus result.x plus equal to fix.x like this. And else it will just return XYZ. But in both cases it will just return result. like this. And then we will set equal to the anchor fix. I just hope that works. No error yet. That doesn't look quite good. Okay, I mean... almost. What went wrong? So... it's 0, so it should be applying. It feels like it changes in high. Okay, maybe because we didn't. Yeah, those ones also have to be moved down. Almost. Why didn't I say something like? Didn't we set something like that the anchor fix is not to its one? Let's just try it. So that looks perfect. That looks good, okay. Now let's just mark the height of the anchor point. So this is the... oh, because this was the first rotation. This one doesn't work. Yes, yes. Cry at me. Build. It works! Although the rotation is kind of weird. Like it rotates... like... it... I mean, it is correct, it just... okay. Now for the L. Can be property 0 of undefined 122. Yeah, let's fix this one first. 122 0 of undefined. Oh, well, obviously that's not working. How about this? So at state 0 it should shift by 1. So let's apply the anchor fix for L. Get something into my eye. frame 0. Oh no. It's gonna be an object with X, Y, and Z. 1. Like this. And now the anchor should be fixed for this one. Build, yep. Now is anchor fixed for this one, yep. This one is not possible. And this one is also not possible. Perfect! So this is working. Right, we made some progress. And I think that's a great point to end the stream. We only streamed for 2 hours, but we made some okay enough progress in that time. So yeah, thanks for watching. Gonna be streaming very soon again, and bye bye.